How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Multi-Section Monday, where every Monday we showcase a particular multi-section. And this Monday, it goes by the name of the LulaMae. The LulaMae makes a grand entrance when you guys pull up to it and you see this nice wraparound porch. It flows perfectly right around. You can see you got enough space out here to have several chairs. You can install a swing if you like. You got enough room to do so. But what I like about it is a double entry. You have one entry into your living area, and this is my favorite entry, right into the kitchen. So if you guys are carrying groceries in and do not want to haul it through the living room, guys, you come right into the kitchen and you're good to go. And guys, now that you see what I was talking about earlier, look at this kitchen. You got an abundance of space, an abundance of storage. This is what makes the LulaMae so great. You looking right here, you've got a nice, huge island right here. You can put several chairs around here. You got cabinet space. You got enough space, more than enough space for your big family. You can have the Brady Bunch over here for breakfast if you need to. Guys, what I like is a nice accent on the ceiling. You see right there with the beams. Got the nice antique fixtures right here, making a nice decor option for you. And look at all this counter space, guys. Runs all the way around this kitchen. Got the nice farm sink. And ladies, I know you love this. Look, if you're doing dishes, you don't even mind because you're off in a zone right now. You're in an imaginary world right now, loving every minute of it with everything that you see out here on your property. Come right around here and you'll also notice more storage space. Got the nice vent hood right here with the smooth top stove. And then come on around and guys, it flows perfectly into this section with more storage, stainless steel side-by-side refrigerator. And if you are feeling very luxurious in this home like I am right now, you're probably gonna have to hire a butler because you got a butler's pantry right here for your convenience. And guys, it flows right here into your laundry area. Got a nice big laundry area, washer and dryer. Got an additional section right here, but you also have an exterior door that when you're out on the back of the property, you can come in, come right to your laundry room and you're good to go. Now guys, follow me back through the home and you'll see why this is the way to go. Does not disappoint. If you're a family looking for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath for 1,980 square feet, right there under 2,000 square feet, for right under 120,000, this is the home for you. For that price point, you get what you see right here. Nothing more, nothing less, guys. This is what you get. This is not anything where I'm trying to pull anything on you. This is the home that you're gonna get for that price point. You got, even with all that abundance of kitchen space, look at this nice dining area. Guys, you can fit a larger table in here if you needed to. Windows all around. So if you have anybody out on the porch, you can also catch up with them and see what they've got going on as well. And it flows right here into the open concept of the living area. See right here, you got enough space for several pieces of furniture. You got the nice antique fixture right here. Got the beams going down the middle, adding tons of character. And you got the nice TV stand right here as well. So you can go ahead and mount your TV right there. Got fixtures on each side. Again, adding character to it, guys. You get that for what you're paying for, guys. You come right through here and you'll see we've got shiplap on the walls, making accents throughout the home. You'll see that, so it adds on to the features of this. You guys come right through. And it doesn't stop there, guys, more options. You see we got a nice built-in desk right here in the hallway. So if you have kids, you got a nice space for them to do their homework, or if you work from home, you got a nice designated area to work yourself. And this right here is one of the first bedrooms. Right here to the side, you'll see the nice sized room. And right across from that room, you have another guest room right here. Still an abundance of space, still a great size for any guest. And what makes it so great is you have the bathroom right here for your guests as well. Got the nice linen pantry right here to store everything. Got the nice built-in squared designer sink. And got the nice tub shower right here that's pretty large as well. And guys, you come back with me through here, and now we're getting to the fun part. Now we're getting to the master suite of the LulaMae. Look at this, guys. Look at this space. I can put 2 king-size beds in here if I need to. Look at this, guys. Natural light coming in. You got enough room in here for whatever you want to do. A nice walk-in closet right here. Also, guys, plenty of room But I know you're thinking it does not get any better, guys, but it does not stop there. Look where I take you next.
Marco.
Polo. Guys, don't mind me. I'm just sitting here enjoying this nice LulaMae master bag. Guys, look at this. Nice picture windows right there. I don't even want to continue with this video because I feel like I'm at home already, guys. Look at this space. Guys, let me show you a little bit about this. Look right here, and you'll see we've got plenty of space right here, his and hers, built-in sinks. You got enough space where she can put her stuff on this side, he can put his stuff on this side. Don't have to worry about it. Enough storage down below. And if you ain't the type of person that enjoys the bath like Mr. Tiny, you can walk right here into the shower. Well, I feel like Hugh Hefner in this shower right now, guys. You can have a party and you'll be the king of the block right here with this home. The LulaMae got the nice rain shower faucet right here, raining down on you. Nice splash glass so you ain't gonna get your floors wet. You don't have to worry about that. It's perfect for anyone wanting that peace and relaxation in your home. After a hard days of work, you want to come home and just relax, get away from everything. This is the home that you're going to do it in, guys, and you're not going to break your bank when you do it. So, guys, follow me back through the home just in case you forgot how terrific this home is, how large this home is. Follow me back through and you'll see why this is the best bang for your buck, guys. You follow me right this way. And we're walking back through. Again, got the guest bath, 2 guest rooms right here. Built-in desk flowing back perfectly into your living area. This is a nice farmhouse feel, guys. All you need to do is bring in your furniture and decorations and you are ready to make this home for you. But guess what? I'm not going to stop the video here because I love this kitchen also. Follow me this way, guys, and you're going to see why this is the home that you need to pick. And Mr. Tiny does not stop. I come to you big or small, short or tall. I do not discriminate. So I'm showing you tinies and I'm showing you large. I'm showing you big. This right here, again, guys, is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,980 square feet to be exact, for coming in right under 120,000, guys. And this is where you've seen it with Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, at another Multi-Section Monday. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to my videos. Tell me how I'm doing. And guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Y'all have a great day.